Hi guys, today's video is our top 5 finds. So here's our top 5 finds in our MTG bulks, and as you know, I've been buying a lot of bulks and searching a lot of MTG bulks. So let's discuss what I found. So first is Falahi Archaeologist, 2 mana, 1 colorless, 1 blue. This one is a creature human scout. Okay, so this one is a when Falahi Archaeologists enter the battlefield, okay, you can mill 3 cards, and then you may put a non-creature, non-land card from among that card milled this way into your hands. If you don't, put a +1/+1 counter on Falahi Archaeologists. Very nice. There's a very nice effect for this card. You can put counter without paying anything, and then you can mill 3 cards as well. So it's either you mill three cards and put it in your hands, or you can and if you don't do that, then you can also put +1/+1 counter to your Falahi Archaeologist. Very nice card, guys. Next is, I think I like this one. I really love this artwork. Okay, so this one is Daxos, Blessed by the Sun. This one is a legendary creature, guys. A legendary enchantment creature. This one is 2 mana, 2 white mana. This one is a demigod. And Daxos toughness is equal to your devotion to white. So what is that? Devotion to white is the how many white mana you have. So if you have a lot of white mana, then your Daxos toughness will have a lot of toughness as well. So very nice card. Whenever another creature you control enter the battlefield or dies, you gain 1 life. So very nice ability, and very nice legendary creature, Daxos, Blessed by the Sun. Third card is Wander. Wander is a 4 mana creature, guys. 3 colorless, 1 blue. This one has flying effect. So as long as Wander is in your graveyard and you control an island creature, the creature you control have flying. So for example, this Wander card already died and put in your graveyard. Then and whenever you have an island, okay, and then all of your creature that you control will have flying. So very nice card, and has very nice effect that can contribute to the other card in your deck. So very nice Wander. For our fourth card, Mirkwood's Bats. So this one is 4 mana, 3 colorless, 1 black. It's a bat creature and it's flying as well. So this one comes from the Lord of the Rings, you can see. Whenever you create or sacrifice a token, each opponent lose 1 life. Imagine, guys. Actually, this one is a very OP card. The effect is really insane. Whenever you create or sacrifice a token, what if you have an ability to always create a token time to time? So meaning time to time, guys, the opponent lose 1 life. So I don't know if this is already banned. So share me your thought, guys, because for me this creature is very OP. Share me your thoughts, and also considering that this is only a common card. So yeah, please share me your thoughts on the Mirkwood's Bats. So for last card is the Score for Scrap. Score for Scrap is a 4 mana, 3 colorless, 1 blue. It's an instant, guys, and you can choose one or both. I really like that. You can choose both. Search your library for an artifact card, reveal it, put it in your hand, then shuffle it. Then next is return target artifact card from your graveyard to your hand. So that is insane. You can return any target artifact card from your graveyard to your hand by just paying 4 mana. What if your artifact is very powerful? So I don't know. Very nice card. Score for Scrap. Tell me your thoughts, guys. That's our top 5 finds for today's video, and I hope you like it. And see you again on the next video, guys. God bless. Please subscribe.